working with sea moss and pomegranate styling foam from Product Junkie Naturals and these perm rods. So if you want to see what I come up with, stay tuned. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today we're going to go ahead and try a perm rod set using the Product Junkie Naturals sea moss and pomegranate styling foam. Previous video I did ask if you guys wanted me to try this styling foam on a perm rod set. The response is positive, so here we go. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and be quiet, let you guys watch. FYI, as you can see, the lighting is crazy, but I was just going to go ahead and try this out and then film a video on my second try doing a perm rod set. Instead, I just cut on the camera. So go ahead and watch, and I'll talk to you at the end. Product Junkie Naturals sea moss and pomegranate styling foam. I mean, if you don't have any yet, I would suggest getting you some. That is it for these luscious, shiny, moisturized, soft, bouncy, beautiful curls. Do you like? This is the best perm rod set I have ever done in my entire life. Seriously, go and get you some of this sea moss and pomegranate styling foam from Product Junkie Naturals. Seriously, I would not lie to you. I mean, the proof is right here. So anyway, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. Check the other products I have tried from Product Junkie Naturals to see my results, and consider trying the products yourself too. I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.